This is a 2008 Chevrolet Avalanche. This truck has a 4-speed automatic transmission and a 6.0-liter V8. Its top features and packages include XM satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are included: an off-road package, a 6-speaker audio system, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, side curtain airbags, a trailer hitch receiver, running boards, dusk-sensing headlights, tinted glass, and air conditioning. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.